Today I'm going to take you on a food forest tour. This food forest was created by a group of students of the State College of Florida and their professor of biology in a campus very close to my home. These edible forest gardens are farming concepts with permaculture principles that have been used for thousands of years in other parts of the world. I talked about this beautiful project that Dr. Andrew Swanson, biologist, mycologist, and professor of biology at the State College of Florida, started about almost 4 years ago with his students.
It's kind of a demonstration garden that demonstrates how to, garden using nature and ecosystems as a model for how to create a system that's permanent rather than just one crop and over again and using up the soil. It's educational in nature. We're not really supplying food for the whole campus or anything, but the Food Forest Club takes a lot of pride in it, and they often will eat the food from it.
Is this like permaculture?
Right, this is a very early stage, I would say, of a permaculture system, but permaculture is agriculture that's sustainable and permanent. It uses the concepts of ecology and ecosystems to bring a system together that allows for food plants to be working together with each other and provide a sustainable system.
And what do you need to create this? Just water?
Yeah, water. We've got a water source with the lake. One of the things that we lack here in Florida a lot is really good fertile soil, so that's been a challenge. You need a lot of organic material, organic matter to get the cycling of nutrients going. So it's taken a lot of inputs of organic material, mulch. We cut down the plant part, so it looks a little bit messy, but all of this provides nutrients that go recycling back into the system. There's nutrients in these leaves and leaf litter that are nitrogen and phosphorus and potassium that are going to then recycle to fuel the other plants and get them going. So yeah, at times it looks a little bit messy, but it's really all these plants are working together with each other to provide nutrients for each other.
Food forest basically works on their own, with almost no need of people, and they are important because they create flourishing habitats for animals, especially pollinators who are slowly disappearing because of lack of habitat. I also talked with Joseph, a student of the college who is one of the pioneers of the food forest.
My whole goal with starting it was to engage people, in the natural world and the environment and everything. But I think the benefits overall of a food forest is, we don't use any pesticides, any fertilizers, anything like that. And, as you can see, we still have this lush abundance. It's also great for so-called food deserts, places where communities don't have access to, natural, fresh produce on a regular basis. The majority of this reseeds itself, so in essence it's free. And again, I think at the end of the day it takes care of itself. So the goal is, once we're all dead and gone, this will still be here and it'll still be replenishing the soil and whatnot, and nobody will really have to put in a lot of effort to get a lot out. Here's one for yourself. It's a little bit green still, but it still has a really good sweetness to it. It's really good, isn't it?
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's probably one of the best guavas I've ever had. So they don't get as big as the ones you'll find in the store.
But it's so sweet.
Yeah, they're delicious, and they've got an excellent flavor, I think. And then another really cool one is the gin berry, if you'd like to try that. No additional fertilizers or anything like that. We did get an initial load of really good organic soil, and then we just mulch it on occasion. Totally organic.
I think it's great to plant edible plants that attempts to mimic the ecosystems and patterns that are found in nature. We don't have many deer here in this area, but we do have a lot of cute rabbits, and they come and eat some of the edibles. It's part of nature, but I don't think other animals will be attracted to the fruits. One of the advantages of a food forest, as Joseph mentioned it, is that it doesn't have to be replanted year after year. Once it's established, it's generally very resistant. I love to live so close to this food forest. I actually can bike from my home. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a peaceful day.